Did you know the man who basically invented rap was from Jamaica and nobody talks about him? Oh, this is wild, people. His name was Big Youth, and in the 1970s he was doing something nobody had ever heard before. This rough kid from Kingston started talking super fast over reggae beats. Not singing, just talking with crazy rhythm and flow. Sound familiar? He became Jamaica's first DJ superstar with hits like S90 Skank. But here's where it gets magical. Big Youth had a spiritual awakening and everything changed. Instead of just party music, he started dropping knowledge about police brutality and poverty. He mixed Rastafarian wisdom with street smarts, creating conscious messaging over those heavy reggae rhythms. This was decades before Public Enemy or KRS-One even existed. Big Youth proved you could educate and entertain at the same time. He mentored young artists about using music for social change. The man literally created the blueprint for conscious rap, while most of the world wasn't even paying attention. Jamaica gave birth to hip-hop consciousness, and Big Youth was the father. Absolutely incredible.